When every second counts, you need more than just a boost. To conquer your limits, you need relentless power. And when the day demands your sharpest mind, unleash your ultimate focus. Volt Beast Ultra White. Explosive energy, unwavering clarity. Dominate your day. Grab Volt Beast Ultra White today.
I just turned a simple product idea into a fully animated video with a consistent product and character, custom style, music and narration, and then just with one click, everything came to life. I'm talking character movement, emotion, actual motion across the whole video. What's up guys? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into Hypernatural AI, and this is a really cool platform. If you want to create storytelling videos, animated content, or faceless videos way faster, with Hypernatural, you can start with just an idea and turn that into a ready-to-share animated video in just a few minutes. And in this video, I'm going to show you the full workflow. We're going to go from a simple product idea to building the characters and style to generating the storyboard and then refining everything in the built-in editor and then turning on the feature that really makes everything come to life, which is called full motion. To get started, just head on over to Hypernatural AI. Of course, the link is going to be in the description and pinned comment below as always. Once you're on the main interface, everything is super easy to work with. We can come down to inspiration. We've got different styles, different characters as well. Underneath ideas, I'm going to click on 3D animation scary video. So once you do that, this pretty much just creates the prompt that you could potentially work with. And all you have to do is submit your generated prompt. I'm going to come back over to the home page and click on my videos at the very top. Within my videos, I'm going to click on the product section. This is where you can create a unique product. Now here's what I want to do. I'm actually going to create my very own consistent product that I'm going to use in my video. So I'm going to create an energy drink called Volt Beast in Ultra White. I've got a few pictures that I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop, and then I'm going to name this Volt Beast. Let's create our product. We've successfully created our product, and I can actually click on use this in a video right this second. So let's do that. I can just submit this as is, and Hypernatural is going to go ahead and start that process, but I do have an idea in mind. Okay, so here's my prompt. I want to create a cinematic ad about the energy drink at Volt Beast. The ad is going to be focused around a young female athlete, and it's going to feature her in different activities like running, gym, and studying. Okay, let's submit this as is. All right, here we go. Within no time at all, we've got a narrator. We've got the style, which is photographic, 16:9 aspect ratio. We have our character, so we have our athlete character, and then we have a script with included narration as is. I have this at 26 seconds right now. I could make it shorter or longer. I'm going to keep the script as is. Now here is the narrator.
Every video deserves the right voice. Whether it's an announcement, an ad campaign, or a bedtime story, give me the script and I'll bring it to life.
Now Ash is sounding fantastic. That is the one I want to go with. But if I wanted to change this, it is as easy as just picking a new voice. For style, I want to keep this on photographic. I want this to be very lifelike. There's lots of different styles as well. If we wanted it in anime or 8-bit, even bioluminescent, maybe more of a horror or cyberpunk, we've got lots to work with here. 16:9 aspect ratio. And then we have our character selected as well. So we've got Lila. We could create a new character if we want to. And we could also choose a bunch of stock ones as well. So we've got Abraham Lincoln, Alice in Wonderland. The idea is when you pick your character, it's going to be consistent across all your different generations. We're going to keep this script and narration as is. Let's go ahead and create our video. All right, here we go. We have a project framework to work with. So what happens here is we're going to get all these individual static scenes and we're going to go ahead and tweak them. And then once we're happy with everything, we can create full motion with our video.
When every second counts, you need more than just a boost. To conquer your limits, you need relentless power. And when the day demands your sharpest mind, unleash your ultimate focus. Volt Beast Ultra White. Explosive energy, unwavering clarity. Dominate your day. Grab Volt Beast Ultra White today.
I'm just going to edit this one. I prefer if she's actually curling a pair of dumbbells. Okay, I'm just going to reprompt this particular image and then let's hit generate. Okay, this image is much more what I was going after, so that looks great. This one, I want to make an edit. I'm just gonna regenerate this image. This one's much better. The can is much more consistent. I'm gonna adjust the music a little bit. I just want it a little bit quieter. I like the crimson accent music. It's quite nice. I think it's quite fitting. The music does fade in and out, which is nice. I'm gonna lower this to 5%. We're gonna regenerate the audio.
When every second counts, you need more than just a boost. To conquer your limits, You need relentless power.
All right, not too bad at all. I actually like that a lot. Pretty happy with all my different scenes. Now, this is where the magic happens. Once you're happy with all your individual static images, click on full motion at the very top, and we're going to add motion to every single scene so we create one long cohesive video. We've got all of them selected. I'm going to click on add motion.
When every second counts, you need more than just a boost. To conquer your limits, you need relentless power. And when the day demands your sharpest mind, unleash your ultimate focus. Volt Beast Ultra White. Explosive energy, unwavering clarity. Dominate your day. Grab Volt Beast Ultra White today.
You can really see the difference in terms of the creative control that we achieved with our final output. The entire sequence, our character coming to life, and the whole thing feels much more alive. So the big takeaway here is pretty simple. Hypernatural makes it really easy to go from an idea to a polished animated video really fast. We started with a simple product concept. Then we built the character, added narration, chose the style, revised the scenes, we generated a first version, and then refined everything within the platform. On top of being fast, you still get creative control. Now, if you want to try out Hypernatural for yourself, just check out my link down in the description and pin comment below. And also, Hypernatural does have a free plan, so you can jump in and start testing it out for yourself. Now, if you do decide to go with the paid plan, after you use my link below in the description, just use the code KINGY for 10% off your first payment. And I want to hear from you in the comments what you plan on using Hypernatural for. Storytelling videos, faceless content, animated shorts, product videos, or something else. Let me know, and with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.